Welcome to Practice Coaching, offering free online self-audit and tailored e-learning programs to support your GP clinic with chronic disease care and health promotion activities. Would you like to know how to effectively run chronic disease care and health promotion initiatives such as care plans and health assessments? Or would you like a way to identify practice areas where improvements could be made? Southeastern Melbourne PHN would like to introduce the Practice Coaching website. This user-friendly online service allows you to register your GP clinic and gain access to self-audit tools. Your information is for your eyes only to help your practice identify system gaps and staff training needs. It is easy to use and comprehensive.
I did start with the audit tool. I think that's probably the most useful resource that I have used so far. What made it useful was that we were able to have an objective look at the way our practice does chronic disease management, and it generates a very clear list of things that you need to work on.
These tools instantly generate targeted training recommendations based on your self-audit results. This process is automatic, so all you need to do is register your clinical and administrative staff to start training immediately.
I have a nursing background myself and was the chronic disease management nurse in the practice for the last 8 years, and thought, oh my God, this is wonderful. This is really easy to use. I learnt some things that I had either not known or had forgotten, and it was a very easy platform to go through and use.
Once registered, clinical and administrative staff can sign in and have individual access to relevant training to track their progress and print certificates for completed sections. You will also have access to your staff's progress, allowing you to monitor both overall and individual progress.
The thing I like most about it is how it's quite logical and not only educational, but it lets you know what you've done, so you can follow that. It also tends to lead you onto other things. Basically, if you indicate that there is an area of or a gap in your knowledge, then it will make certain suggestions for you to follow up, and I found that very useful.
The self-audit report and training progress can be used as a resource for accreditation to demonstrate quality improvement activities and in-house training undertaken by staff.
My practice manager's role, I'm in charge of accreditation, and for accreditation we need to produce evidence of ongoing learning. So we have 7 practice nurses in the practice, so at the moment I have asked that all the practice nurses do the chronic disease management module, and they must actually do at least one module before our next nurse meeting.
It comes with the CPD certificate so that we can sort of assess how everyone's using it, and people can use it as online learning, and for accreditation it's a way to sort of monitor our own education.
It is a flexible, self-paced and best practice model, allowing you to structure your clinic's training around your patients' needs.
What made it really easy was that there were key concepts broken down into smaller modules, so I could sort of put 20 minutes aside and take up a module and work through it. It's really interactive, so you sort of get a lot of information from that, and then you can not touch it for 2 days and come back and sort of learn something else from a different module.
I would definitely recommend this to colleagues. I think it's a wonderful program, and I think it's useful. I can't see any reason why anyone, except those who aren't interested in doing GP management plans or promoting their practice, wouldn't do that.
It was so easy, anybody that can't use a computer could do the program very easily, so that's what I liked most about it.
Register your clinic now by visiting practicecoaching.com.au.